Let's look at what we need to show. We need to prove that if we add a complex number and its conjugate, then split that into two equal parts, we get the real part of that number. Let's start by writing our complex number z in its normal form. We say z equals a plus bi, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part. Now, what is the conjugate of z? Remember, to get the conjugate, we just flip the sign in front of the I part. So z bar equals a take away bi. Now let's add z and z bar together. We put them side by side. Watch what happens to the I parts. Look at that. The plus bi and the take away bi cancel each other out, they become 0. We are left with a plus a, which is 2 times a. Now we split 2a into two equal parts, just like the left side of our formula says. We put 2a over 2. 2a split into two equal parts is just a. The 2's cancel out and we are left with a, nice and clean. And remember, we said at the beginning that a is the real part of z. So a is the same thing as re of z. And there we go. We showed that z plus its conjugate, split into two equal parts, gives us the real part of z. The imaginary parts cancel out, and only the real part stays. Great job!